In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GitHub password. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to log in to your GitHub account. So go ahead and open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, enter your login credentials, your username and password, and sign in. Take a moment to make sure you're on your account page. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will direct you to your Account Settings page, where we can adjust various aspects of your account, including your password. Now that you're in the Settings area, take a look at the left sidebar. You will see several options listed there. What you need to find is Password and Authentication. Click on that option. This page allows you to manage your password settings, so we're getting closer to changing your password. Next, look for the Change Password button at the top of the page. This is the part where we actually initiate the password change process. Click that button to open the fields where you will enter your old and new passwords. You're doing great so far. Now it's time to enter your credentials. First, type in your old password into the designated field. This step is necessary for security reasons, as it verifies that it's really you making the change. Once you've entered your old password, move on to the next field and enter your new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Consider using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and even special characters. After you've typed in your new password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again in the Confirm New Password field. This is a crucial step, as it ensures that you haven't made any mistakes when entering your new password. Take your time and double-check that everything matches up just right. All right, you're almost there. Once you've completed these fields, look for the Update Password button. This button is what you'll click to finalize the change. Go ahead and click it now. If everything went smoothly, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been updated successfully. Congratulations, you've just changed your GitHub password. It's a simple process, but one that's vital for keeping your account secure. And that's it. You now know how to change your GitHub password. I hope you found this video helpful and that it makes managing your account a little easier. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for